Have a good day, baby. Be good.
Let it, bang, bang.
What'd you guys do today?
Two of the most common issues pet owners face are separation anxiety and pet boredom. We can't be with our pets 24/7, so we rely on pet cameras to check in on them. The problem? Existing pet cameras are immobile, making it difficult to check in on pets when they're out of sight. That's why we decided to develop a pet camera on wheels. Introducing the Vava Mobile Pet Cam. The wheels have treads, so the camera can move on any surface. We know our furry friends can be a little rough. That's okay. We designed the camera with intelligent collision detection, a low center of gravity, and materials selected for toughness. It's paw-proof.
Colby, off the couch.
We made sure the Vava Mobile Pet Cam has all the features pet owners need. The most important feature of all, peace of mind. All we need now is your support.
The gaming industry is growing bigger and bigger every day. Millions of people are using a computer mouse for gaming and encounter the discomfort of high friction against the mousepad and the lack of stability while maneuvering the mouse. Because of this, gamers around the world are performing worse and suffer from injuries. Hello, my name is Oscar and I'm the founder and CEO of Flashy Gaming Group. As a gamer at a high level, I always look for ways to improve my gameplay and to prevent me from getting injured. During the last 2 years, I've tried to find a solution for the problems that gamers encounter every day while using a computer mouse, and I'm so happy to finally present the world's first patent-pending, performance-enhancing gaming glove. The Flashy Gaming Glove consists of 4 key components: the gaming sleeve, the friction reduction, the angle improvement, and the rotation support. Compression sleeves have been used for a long time in many sports, for example basketball. The reason for this is that studies show that compression sleeves help with blood circulation, body temperature, reduced muscle stress, and faster recovery. With all these benefits, we believe that our gaming sleeve will be a key component to esports and the everyday gamer. To me, it makes no sense that gamers are playing with a computer mouse that has a low friction against the surface, and yet their underarm and their wrist have a high friction. With the Flashy Gaming Glove, you don't have to worry about this problem. The underside is covered with Teflon, the same friction-reducing material that you usually find on the underside of your mouse. This means that you will finally be able to become one with your mouse and move it easier than ever before. Today's typical use of a computer mouse does not provide you with a healthy angle for the wrist. This leads to poor mouse movement and in turn injuries. The flashy gaming glove has a built-in incline that always provides you with an optimal angle towards the mouse. Finally, I'm so happy to present the world's first rotation support for gaming. Precision is extremely important while you are gaming, and the rotation support provides you with a control movement for perfect precision, and once again, reduced friction. On top of that, you can get it in different sizes and 4 different colors: red, blue, green, and white. If you want the world's first performance-enhancing gaming glove that is also beneficial for your health, then back us, so we can get the production started and hopefully make many more new and exciting products in the future. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video.
Have you ever experienced these situations? At the most critical moment, the game controller dies. Or when you're about to take the perfect picture, the battery for the flash runs out. Or when you are playing with a remote control car, it suddenly stops in the middle of nowhere. At Techconversion, we believe that battery needs to be more efficient and better cater your needs. That is why we have created Techconversion, the most advanced rechargeable lithium battery. Techconversion only takes 2 hours to full charge, whereas nickel-metal hydride rechargeable batteries take around 10 hours. On a single charge, Techconversion offers a stable performance with more than 12 hours. After 1,000 charge cycles, Techconversion's usable capacity still stands at 70%, while other brands fall below 50% after 500 cycles. The best part? Techconversion is the world's first rechargeable lithium battery that offers a consistent power output of 1.5 volts. But words mean nothing without proof, right? Over the course of our 4 years R&D, we've obtained 6 national and world patents and passed many testings. Let the numbers speak by themselves. We're testing the Techconversion with the Eneloop Pro for a car racing test. You'll see within 1 hour, Techconversion reaches 530 cycles, outnumbering Eneloop by 100 cycles. When checking the lap times, Techconversion achieves a steady times for each lap, a significant difference that shows Techconversion has a better voltage consistency. We did a flashlight experiment to compare the Techconversion and Eneloop Pro. Techconversion is able to provide a constant brightness with its 1.5 consistent output voltage. At Techconversion, our mission is to bring the best rechargeable lithium batteries to our customers. So give us a chance and support us on Indiegogo today. Let's make dream a reality.